speak English fluently, one needs to have good English vocabulary. You can learn English vocabulary in the best possible way with this video. This video is a fun, easy and step-by-step guide for English speaking and for learning 30 new words. Hello everybody, you are watching Learn English with Dr. Saloni Nandan. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Our first word is amicable, which means pleasant to each other and solve their problems without quarreling, or friendly. Next word is anonymous, which means when you do something secretly, you do not let people know that you did it. Bakery, it is a place where bread, pastries, cakes are baked and sold. Autobiography is an account of your life which you write yourself. Suppose Donald Trump writes his own autobiography. Biography is an account of a life of a person written by someone else. So please understand the difference between the two: autobiography written by that person himself and biography written by someone else. Contagious means something which spreads through contact and can be caught by touching people by infection. Contemporary means things which are modern and related to present time. This painting is a contemporary piece of art. Our next word is dialysis, which means a method of treating kidney failure by using a machine or remove waste material from kidney. Ecology means a study of relationship between plants, animals, people and their environment and their balance. So we should try to maintain a balance between plant life, animal life and us. Edible means it is safe to eat and not poisonous, or something that is fit to eat. Let's see the sentence. The strawberries are edible, but the mushrooms are inedible. So the opposite of edible is inedible. Our next word is very interesting. It is equanimous. Do you know what is equanimous? It is a calm state of mind and attitude so that one can never lose his temper. ऐसी स्थिति जिसमें किसी को गुस्सा ना आए, ऐसी शांत स्थिति कि आपको गुस्सा ही ना आए. Eternal, which means which lasts forever. In a sentence, his love for his wife is eternal. Emigrant is a person who has left their own country to live in another country. In a sentence, there are many emigrants from India in USA and UK. Extempore means something said or done without preparation, बिना किसी तैयारी के कुछ बोलना. For in a sentence, our college student won the extempore speech prepared by him on the spot. हमारे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट ने एक्सटेम्पो स्पीच उसी समय तैयार करके ऑन द स्पॉट तैयार करके जीत ली. Our next word is fable, a story which teaches a moral lesson and is based on myth, like Aesop's fable. बाल कथाएं, काल्पनिक कथाएं जिनसे हमें कुछ मॉरल लेसन मिलता हो, उन्हें हम फेबल कहते हैं. Flexible means able to bend easily, easily changeable. Let's look at the sentence. Her body is very flexible, so she can easily make all the poses of yoga. Glutton, a person who eats too much, a greedy person. Fatalist means a person who believes in fate. वो व्यक्ति जो लक में बिलीव करता हो उसे हम fatalist कहते हैं. In a sentence, as a fatalist, the woman believes that luck has everything to do with the events in her life. Our next word is gullible, which means easily deceived or tricked. ऐसा भोला भाला इंसान जिसका आसानी से बेवकूफ बनाया जा सके. In a sentence, the magicians are able to trick the gullible audience. Honorarium means a voluntary payment for services offered without charge. बिना किसी सैलरी के दी जाने वाली सेवाओं के लिए अपनी इच्छा से कुछ फीस या सैलरी देना, उसे ऑनरेरियम कहते हैं. मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट, handwritten note. In a sentence, I only have one copy of the manuscript. Hydrography. Do you know what is hydrography? It is an applied science which gives you description and measurement of seas, oceans, rivers, lakes. That means all the water bodies. जो water bodies जैसे seas, oceans, rivers, lakes के बारे में और उनके measurements के बारे में बताता हो, उस science को हम hydrography कहते हैं. Illegible means not clear enough to read, something that cannot be read. Let's look at the sentence. His handwriting is so illegible that teacher never gives him good marks in the exam. Illiterate means unable to read and write, a person who cannot recognize the alphabets. जो पढ़ा लिखा ना हो, जो alphabets ना पहचान सके, वो illiterate होता है. Inaudible, unable to hear it. Sentence, her voice on the telephone was inaudible. Inaudible, जो सुनाई ना दे, आसानी से सुनाई ना दे. Inevitable, certain to happen, जो पक्का होने वाला हो. Sentence, there are certain things in the life that are inevitable, such as occurrence of seasons, day and night. Day and night, season, तो ऐसे हैं जो होंगे ही. Incredible means impossible to believe. In a sentence, India is incredible, Atulya Bharat, because of its vibrant colors, breathtaking landscapes, rich history and diverse people. Invincible, cannot be defeated, जिसे हराया ना जा सके. Sentence, he is invincible in arm wrestling. Irritable, easily annoyed, आसानी से गुस्सा आ जाए. Sentence, he becomes irritable with everyone when they don't listen to him. Maiden, a young girl or woman. Sentence, she lay like a maiden in dreams. I hope you commit 100% to my vocabulary videos and enjoyed learning these vocabulary words with meaning and sentences. I would love to hear from you in the comments about what you think. And again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.